In this video, I'm going to share with you a brand new method to make money online that I have never shared before on my YouTube channel. And this method is unsaturated and you can pretty much do it worldwide. So the cool thing about this is you don't have to show your face and you don't have to sell anything. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. And people are making thousands of dollars per month doing this. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works in this video. So first I want to tell you that people are making, and I'm going to show you proof of this, $20,000 per month, or direct you in the right direction. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to sell your own products, and it's proven. So let me explain. We're going to be using Instagram faceless pages, but we're not selling anything. Hang with me here. It's less competitive to use Instagram faceless pages. It's simple to manage. And you don't even need to be on camera, which is crazy. There is a downside, which is when you use any type of social media, you're dependent upon the algorithm. So what does that mean? How do we overcome this? We do this by combining Instagram and email marketing. Now, hang with me because this isn't just your standard email marketing. All right. You use Instagram for growth. You use email for stability. You collect emails from the followers that you build up on your page. So it's basically the best of both worlds. You choose a high interest niche that you want to build your page about. You create quality content that consistently brings in new followers. And then you use growth strategies to then go viral so you can get even more followers. And then of course you grow an email list even bigger, which allows you to make even more money, but not necessarily having to sell anything. This strategy is absolutely crazy. And then you, of course, interact with your audience to keep growing your list. Then what you do is you convert those followers to subscribers by engaging. You provide free value. You give away freebies to generate their email. And you build a community around your page. So I want to show you exactly how this works and how you monetize it. So I found this guy right here on Instagram. And his name is Arnis. And this is not the page that he is using to make all this money. This is his personal page. And he's making over $20,000 a month. Okay. Now, let me show you the page. You can see right here, he's building this page up right here. He has it linked in his profile. If I jump over here, it's called Passionate Income. Now, this one does have 1 million followers, but don't let that discourage you. I've seen tons of faceless accounts being grown, making tens of thousands of dollars per month. In this case, they were selling digital products with a very small following. Now, I want you to see this Instagram page. All he's posting here, and if I come to the top, he only has 325 posts. Honestly, that's not that many. This is what he's posting. Okay, and look at the engagement. It's crazy. It's just pictures and then text. That is it. And he's making over $20,000 a month doing this. So now let's get to the nitty gritty, and I'm going to show you how he's monetizing this. So as you can see, he has what he says, his Passionate Income newsletter that you can join for free. When someone clicks on this link, it's going to take them to a simple landing page. Okay. And look, is anything for sale here? No, it's completely free to join. And he's leveraging a platform called Beehive. And I'm going to show you what that looks like in a minute. But this is where he immediately starts making money without selling anything. When someone comes here and opts in, immediately what happens is on the very next page, he uses something called Boost. All right. And once someone subscribes to his newsletter, they're going to be presented with 5 other different newsletters that they can sign up to. Now, this feature inside of Beehive, which Beehive, the platform, looks like this, but that's another. Let me go to beehive.com and show you what this looks like. So this is Beehive, okay? And you can get started for free in building your newsletter. So here's the pricing right here. And right here on the launch plan, you can have up to 2,500 subscribers absolutely free. So this method is completely free to get started with. And so what happens is once someone clicks these buttons and they can hit select all of these people are actually going to pay you for every subscriber that you refer to them. And this can range in how much they're going to pay, but let's just say that it's $2, right? And if they hit the select all, that's $2, $4, $6, $8, $10 per person, right? So I want you to imagine driving a ton of traffic from a faceless Instagram account just like this every single day, and people go and sign up to your newsletter for free just like this, but then on the very next page, you're making money immediately, okay? It's absolutely bonkers how this works. So essentially, you are making money without selling anything. People are paying you to get new subscribers on their email list, okay? Now, inside of Beehive, what else you can do is you can actually allow ads to be on your site and in your newsletters. So people will pay you to get ads in front of your subscribers. And this isn't the only way you can do this. I wanted to share another way, right? So this was just the Instagram method. If you do want to grow a brand and show your face, there's someone who I found on YouTube who's doing this. So I don't know if you've ever heard of Vanessa Lau, but this is a fairly recent video, and you can see right here in her description, it says join her Creator Journal newsletter for free. So when you click that link, it takes you over here, and guess what this is? She's using Beehive to generate an email list. Now, I don't know if she's actually doing the boost immediately after, but I would imagine it's smart to do. And then the other thing that you can do is if you do want to sell things, of course, you can do that with email marketing, right? So with Beehive, you can send, even on this one that's free up to 2,500 subscribers, you can send unlimited emails. So you can still do your email marketing and make money by promoting whatever you want. And then you can also choose to make it a paid subscription. But the strategy that I'm sharing with you right now is it's not paid. It's free, and then you generate the income from the promotions and advertisings inside of your newsletter, and then also getting subscribers onto other people's lists, okay? So that's how you can monetize that. The other way that you can monetize this is if you do have your own products that you want to sell, you can do that, but also high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, I've personally done over $1 million with high ticket affiliate marketing. It is an absolutely awesome business model. And if you want to learn more about high ticket affiliate marketing, I will leave a free course in the description of this video for you to go check out. It's completely free. I'll also leave my link to Beehive down there as well. But let me know if you like this strategy. Have you ever heard of this before, where you can generate an income without selling a dang thing and without showing your face? If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you want more videos on making money online, of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And right now, YouTube thinks that you should go watch this video next, and that'll be best for you. And I'll see you over there. Bye for now.